Hi there everyone, my name's Scott Pepper. I'm a magician and also the creator of The Magic Saloon. I want to take a moment to tell you about some of the amazing magic kits we have available to purchase after the show. Whether you're new to magic or you've dabbled in the past, we have the kit for you. So let's dive right in. Firstly, we have our Easy Magic Kit. And as the name suggests, this is perfect for anyone wanting to learn magic. All the magic effects in this set are easy to learn and simple to perform. This is perfect for any younger magicians wanting to learn some cool tricks. Next up, we have our Deluxe Magic Kit. This is perfect for any age group or skill level. Most of the tricks in here are easy to learn, but there are some that will take a little bit of practice. If you've ever performed magic in the past or are looking for a bit of a challenge, then we recommend the Ultimate Magic Kit. This kit has some mind-blowing effects that will have your audience stunned. There's a little learning to be had here, but if you put your mind to it, you'll be performing amazing magic effects in no time. Our Ultimate Card Magic Kit is for magicians wanting to have pocket-sized miracles that they can perform anywhere. Each deck is cleverly gimmicked and will allow you to perform some incredible card tricks and make you look like a pro. Our final kit is our Street Magic Kit. With this set, you'll learn effects performed with everyday objects and things you carry around in your pocket, like coins, cards, pens, and rubber bands. So whatever your age, skill level, or budget, we have a kit for you. So stop by after the show and take home a little piece of the magic.